Welcome to another Unbox!
Welcome back to Unbox!
Woo!
It's a very special edition of Unbox because we're at our own holiday party and there's people all around. You can't see them on the camera. Well, actually, hold on. Let's just take a look around. Look at these wonderful people. All right, and also look at these people. Hi, people. Hi, remote people. Everybody that's remote, say hi. Okay, let's go this way. Hello. We're gonna do full 360. Okay. Now back to the main point of business.
Right, my vest.
The vest. We have a box.
We do have a box.
It's wrapped because it's the holidays.
It is the holidays.
It's very large. It's not
is.
as large as a robot, but it's large. Okay, well, I think we need to unwrap it and then we need to unbox it.
Okay.
Oh, I think we're gonna know what it is right away. So here we go. Ooh, it looks very nice. How about a quick turn? What is it? It's a present for your dad. Form 3 printer. Okay, let's do a proper unbox of it then. Let's
All right.
knife. We're about to get a lot of advice about how to take this out of the box.
Okay.
All right. Is there a technique? Let's discover
Let's
it.
find out.
Let's find out.
Oh.
Instructions. This looks really heavy and expensive.
All right, let's do what we
put
did
it
last time.
down here.
Yeah.
Now what? Oh wait. It has
Handles!
Wow. They really thought that through.
They did.
It's one of the
Very
most
nice.
delicate unboxes I've ever seen. Okay. Nico, come on over here. Okay, I'm just gonna lift it like this. Whoa, it's really pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna do one thing, which is just look at this. Ooh, okay, now don't touch it inside, all right? All right, now Nico, listen.
yet?
Here's how this thing works, okay? This is a 3D printer. So you put in your computer, you draw up some things, and then you push a button, and this machine magically will make it for you. I can tell that he's into it. Okay. Well, stay tuned for more Unbox and magical 3D printing, am I right?
All right.
Thanks. See you next
Bye.
time.